My channel Crypto Silent. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project. Basically, this project is related to those person who are a cat lovers. I will share all the detail in this video. So it is the biggest opportunity for the cat lovers, even though for cat haters too. You can help those stray cats. You can make bad cats again to a good cats. So I will share all the detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. If you are on new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So as this bad cats meme, as you can see, their scroller is so cute. They get the pause basically image of the cat. You can see it here. They are given bad cats, making bad cats good again. You can be able to make the bad cats good again. They are not saying the cats are bad. They are talking about those cats, those are stray, those who have no shelters here. They are talking about them. They are not saying the cats are bad here, so don't be think on that. You can see their contact address is given, which is on Pup Fun. You can see it here. So if I cancel it here, so you can see it here. The next one is here the Pump Fun. You can search bad cats here too. So if I go and search bad cats here, if I go and search on it, that you can see it here, it will show their market cap and their different replies, etc. So it is scrolling here. After that, you can see it here. So they are going for the bad cat, which is market cap as given, which is $120.7K, and its detail is given here. You can see the details about the bad cat token. Replies are given, making bad cats good again. The meme coin with soul, no roadmap, no utility, no financial promises, just pure and feline fun with a purpose. A portion of every dollar bad cat token sale. So you can see that too. So you can even open it here and you can go through on their Pup Fun too. It is on that too, and its graph is given where you can see it's going on. You can see it is 5 days a code. Their market cap, they reply that time its price is low, but it will goes above again. You can see it here. You can read all the chart. You can see the current chart here. You can add the amount that how much you want to buy. So if you want to buy with the one soul, you will get a lot of bad cat here. You can place a trade here. You can even though sell it here too. So at that time its price is low, you can even get on it too. So you can see it here. Their Dave comments is given for those who bought 2025 land, and it's a good you can see feedback on them are given. You can see they are given about smart move bro bondings. You can see for real bro textual alerts and clutch. You can see send it you can see their comments about them are given. You can read more comments on it too. So if I go back to their main interface, which is making bad cats good again, I hate people, so help a feline out, proceed out from all token sales, go to the animal shelters and organizations that help cats in need. So they are listed on Coin Gecko terminal. They are on the Dex screener too. They are on Soul or Bat on Radium. You can see it here. Their different social medias are given like Telegram, Twitter, Instagram. You can go and be a part of their team. So if I go further here, you can see the Radium is given from where the price is given 0.001205, and it is 24.64% going up. You can see it here 24, or it is given up here. You can see their details. Their buying is given. There are more people who are buying it, and you can see it here. Their scroll scanner, everything is shown here. You can see it here, their website, their tags, and all the details here. You can see it here. You can read their detail from here too. So if I go further below, you can see it is powered by the Gecko terminal, and the second one is given about the Badcast token. They audit, which is no issue that it is audited, and you can see their basically scans, which is given here. You can see the boost and all the other things which is given up here. So how to get bad cat? So it was a Dex Skinner view, and now they are saying how to get a bad cat. Dollar bad cat, you can get a wallet from the app store. You can download Phantom or Soulflare wallet, and after that the step 2 is you can get buy a soul. So if you have already sold, you have to just deposit the soul, or if you don't have soul, you have to buy soul into your new wallet, and you can buy dollar bad cat on pump.fun, which I share with you, which is given here, and I will give that link with you too. Connect wallet to pump fun and swap. You can see makes bad cats again with a dollar bad cat. You can make bad cat into a good cat again, and you can see why bad cat portion of every transaction goes directly to the organization like SPCA and local pet shelters support your local cat. So why you choose dollar bad cat? Because they are giving directly some portion of their transaction directly to the organization like SPCA, local pet shelters, and they have community perks to support a good cause. You will get exclusive bad cat shirt out of the deal. So I will share their deals of the shirts too, where which prices are at that time high. You will get that, and they have ACAB. All cats are beautiful, and do you part today, and you can help stray cats and help get them off street into their home. So you can join the bad cat movement, calling all cat lovers and haters. This is your chance to be a part of the global movement. You can see different kind of pictures and the cute. You can see it is showing here about the cats, and you can read that how it works. So now I will share with you. You have to first of all buy dollar bad cat. You can support their cause, and you will earn a t-shirt. So as it is talking about the t-shirt, I want to share it with you. You can see if I go up, they have featured collection of t-shirts here, which is I hate people cat t-shirt, which is in a black and also in a white color. So its price is $35, and you can see it is $4,951 here. So their price is given. You can see cat lover approved, human tolerated. Their collections is given. You can see your collection name, all the things here. So you can go and work on them. So I will just go back, and I just want to share with you about their t-shirt, that how you can own it. Be the proud owner of I hate people t-shirt and show your love or dislike for cat. Proceed from shirt sales go to and feeding cat. So their disclaimer is given and has no affiliate with the SPCA. They are your local animal shelter or any your neighbor cat judge from your from the window. The token exists solely to pay tribute to their furry overlords while randomly donating funds to the animal shelter. So it is not affiliated here. It's tell about that and details. You can see it here, and if I go up and share with you about the Geeko terminal, you can see that it is 23.96% going up. Must go and buy it. So if I share with you about the deck screener, its price is still here. You can see 24, or it is 13.335 up. You can see you can swap on the radium too. You can have to just touch on it, agree to it, and enter radium. You can see it is a price is given. You can be able to get it from 0.5 soul, and in that which is equal to $117, and you will get almost that amount which is given here, 9,67,966 0.67 bad cats here. So you can see it here, their price is given. So if I go further, you can join them on the Telegram to be a part of their team, and you can go for the Geeko terminal too. So it's a very good project. You can also be a part of them on Twitter, Instagram. I will give all their links here. So it is the biggest project here. You can make money on it too. So I share all the detail about it. Their address is also given. I will give that address in my video description too. So if you want to go to it, do your own research too. And I like that project. I want to share with you because it's for a cat lovers here, and it's a good opportunity for everyone. They can earn, and also they can help the cats to be make them a good cat again. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.